friend Judy and I. Say hi, Judy.
Hi. Hi, Judy.
We're on our way to Mariposa today and thought we'd just bring you along for the ride. So enjoy. Well, thank you, man. You'll freight us. That thing is huge. Wow. Look at that thing. Look at the wheels on that. Those are huge. I would say at least 3 feet tall. I guess their weights. It's a stamp. It's information. You can pause the video to watch. I don't know how old this sign is, but immediate cash settlement for gold bullion. Oh, look at this door. Let's see if I can do this without being in the sun. Wow. That is heavy. It's almost like a safe door. It goes into nothing. You can read that, but that's a metal sign stamped on there. 1908, patented. Yeah. Widowmaker. Vertical jackhammer. Sign. Wow. Modern 49er. Automatic gold panner. Huh. Yeah, they'd probably love it.
Yeah, he loves the Old West journeys. The doors of them.
I know, isn't that cool?
Can you imagine?
That would take your hand off, man.
Yeah.
Don't get your hands in the wrong spot. Oh, I bet it's to dig. Oh, it's a water wheel.
Well, I think they scoop up and then.
It's a water wheel.
Yeah, and they scoop it up and I used to watch that show.
Wow.
On Discovery. Gold Rush.
Look at this sign. It looks like it's metal, but it's backwards or something. I don't know if my camera will turn. Flowers. And again, you can pause to read this stuff. If you can see it around the flowers. The bell. That thing is as tall as me. Wow. Look at that. July 19th, 1899. Well, there's other dates on there too. I don't know what they all mean. 1892, 1893, 1898. Maybe those are the patent dates for it.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's,
A pneumatic mucker. A pneumatic mucker with ore car. What the heck's a mucker? I don't know.
I don't know, but there's like a scoop here. So maybe they scooped it
Well,
out.
you know, they muck out a barn means
Yeah, maybe they would muck out areas for...
pretty cool place. Look at that. What is that? A line shaft and pulley used on the large stamp mill, operated with 10 stamps from the, I can't read the rest of it. It's huge. Little monitor giant. There's nothing little about this thing. Hard to see with that shadow. That thing's big. It's at least up to my hip high. Long tom used for washing gold-bearing gravel. Wow. I guess the gold would get caught in these things.
Yeah.
That's
And
pretty
this
cool.
turns so they can dump
Oh,
the
it
water off.
wiggles?
Yeah, there's a
Oh, I see it. And that's huge. That's as tall as me.
How much this thing weighs?
I don't know. A lot, I'll tell you that.
Everyone knows. It's a stamp mill, not the big ore cart.
I thought you just knew what it was and you were telling me.
I think it does, it's to make something. Like brooms or baskets or... And I see these buildings, but I think the buildings are original. It looks like they were brought here.
Oh, look, a witch's broom.
On a platform. What is it?
A witch's broom. I think you're right. I think it's a broom making setup.
1880.
Oh,
I just read
broom making, 1880. Okay.
That's how they made brooms back in the day.
Wow. 1880 broom maker.
It was erected in 1854. You can tell they later became a saloon, and then in 1878, the home of the Mariposa Gazette. Printed here for 70 years. First publication was 1854.
I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but you can pause it and read it.